For every generation of my design, I try to come up with something new, something meaningful. This year I will be more focused in the performance aspect of the boat. A better hydrodynamic. The design is similar to those in the market with tapered stern. 41 inches. $29. $10. If I lower the back seat of the car, I believe I should be able to fit 4 boats inside my car. I've tried a different method to close the front of the boat. I used the screw and nut to create a spool. It works, but not very strong. The second method I tried is very good. I got the lattice cap and used it to create a tongue and groove structure. This step took me 2 to 2.5 hours and cost about $15. I used bobbin, or you can use J-hook. In Gen 9, I folded the Coroplast and strengthened the edges. Then I created rectangular holes using soldering iron. And then I thread the lashing through the holes. This created an amazing strong binding for the bow and the stern of the boat. It took about 45 minutes to finish this step. I used 4 lashings, which cost around $5. The boat's weight is also reduced by a few pounds when compared with method 2. It may not look as nice as method 2, but it is practical. In part 2 of the video, I will go through how I fold and unfold the boat and what the issues I have with the boat. I really like the boat and I plan to clean up the design and come up with a more solid boat plan, and like the other boats, I will share it with everyone. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, so that when I upload the next video you will be informed. Tell your friends about it too. Thanks for watching. See ya.